Hi everyone, I'm back in Bangkok and I'm looking for a unique drink that originated in Hong Kong in the 1950s. Now let's hope I can find it. And I'm pretty certain that this restaurant here has it over here in the freezer. That's the one we want. It's called Yuenyeung. Okay, I've got it. Well, at least I think I've got it. On here is the characters for Yuenyeung, because I looked it up on Google in the traditional characters. Yuenyeung. So Yuenyeung, invented in the 1950s in a Dai Pai Dong, which is like an outside cafe, and it is actually part of Hong Kong's cultural heritage, written into the legislature. So what is it? Looks like tea, looks like coffee. It is in fact a mixture of tea and coffee. The perfect Yuenyeung supposedly is 3 parts brewed coffee, 7 parts black Ceylon tea with sugar and usually evaporated milk inside. So I'm going to open it up, have a smell, have a taste, see what it's like. I think I can, when I first opened it, it smelled more like coffee, but now I think it's more like tea. So let's have a go. It's got a very strong taste, like very strong black tea. Milky and smooth. Definitely worth hunting it down and trying it. Let's have another go. I still think I prefer iced milk tea over this drink, but I know it's very popular in Hong Kong, and as I said, it is part of their heritage. So anywhere else that you find this, it's a copy of the Hong Kong version. If you've enjoyed this short review, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Like it, share it, and as always, I will see you later.